Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to do a white borderline around one of your pictures. Something very simple, kind of like this right here. This is very simple to do with a program such as Canva. And again, it doesn't really take that much. So let's go ahead and start. And all you have to do is go to canva.com right here. And you're going to click right here to the right, create a design. You're going to go to YouTube thumbnail. There's one already there, design. So click in there. And once you do a couple of them, you're kind of going to have it in your favor, right? And this is kind of what you're going to have right here. So from here, we're going to build kind of like a thumbnail. In a way, we're going to do it pretty quickly, but I just want to show you that white border line, right? So let's put a background right here to the left. We're going to pick a random background, something such as that, right? And again, we're going to come up here to uploads. We're going to click in there, obviously, and we're going to pick one of the pictures, right? So I'm going to click on that picture. You can kind of see that right there. And this is how simple this is done with Canva. Now, keep in mind that I got the Pro model, highly recommended. And again, I do lots of stuff with this program right here. You could use it for your content creation and all that. So you're going to come up here to edit picture, and then you're going to remove the background, right? So simply, we're just going to click that. Now, if you see anything funky, like right here on this side or something like that, you could erase that. Only thing you got to do is click on VG removal, click erase, and now you could grab your little circle right here and start erasing some of that stuff, right? And you want to erase that because once you put the border, you don't want the border to go around those spots right here. Like right here, a little spot, kind of erase that right there as well. You kind of erase a little bit of this if you want to. You don't want to have that much. And that's kind of good right there. And again, you can kind of increase the level of erasing, as you can see right here, just by messing up with this right here, right? So we're going to go back and we're going to have the picture right there. From here, we're going to click on shadows right here, the sucker ball. And then we're going to go to outline, right? We're going to click on the outline. And as you can see, you already have an outline right there, right? We're going to change the color right here to white. And then you can see how thick that outline is, right? Again, you can make it smaller just by coming here to the side. Kind of go like this. You can even make it bigger if you want, I guess 100% right there. We're going to go kind of like this, right? Let's go a little bit less. I think about 7 is kind of nice. Now, right below that, it says intensity. And if you can see, just going to 0, you don't see it. I mean, maybe you just want to have a little bit kind of there at 43. You can kind of see a little bit of that. Or maybe you want to go full intensity, which you can see it right there. And then, guys, all you have to do is come up here and kind of go ahead like this and put that picture wherever you want. Kind of put it right there. If you're doing something such as a thumbnail, you can kind of put some letters. Maybe you want to put white and copy and paste, outline. And then you kind of play with this a little bit. Kind of going to get the picture, kind of move it here to the left and kind of come up here. I kind of like it right there. I'm going to make this a little bit smaller so it kind of fits right there. I'm going to make that red. And from there, guys, remember, you can be as creative as you want. You can come here to the elements, and there's so many different things that you could put. For example, I like this one right here. Kind of like get this little lines, and then I'm making white. It just gives it a little bit more character. I can kind of put it right there and put it behind the picture. Let's bring this picture to the front. Right click on it, layers, bring it forward. And as you can see, you kind of have that back there, right? Let me move it a little bit. Right there. It kind of gives it a little bit of a feeling, right? I want to put this to the back. Put another one right here. It's in the back. All right, something like that. So again, very, very simple. I was able to create a thumbnail here for YouTube and putting a white outline in my picture. It kind of emphasized that picture, right? And I did that in barely any time. Again, canva.com. That thing is awesome. I appreciate you guys watching. We see you in the next one.